In Blender 4.5, a new processing method has been introduced. The three existing Boolean approaches each carry certain limitations, but Smart Boolean effectively overcomes all of them. You no longer need to choose between different solvers, and it delivers flawless Boolean operations. Previously, objects used for Boolean operations could not overlap. Overlaps would always trigger calculation errors, even with self-intersection enabled. Smart Boolean handles overlapping objects under any circumstance. And it remains error-free even when processing large numbers of objects. When working with more complex meshes, the traditional Boolean modifier can fail with any solver. And the manifold solver simply can't cope, even if autofill is turned on. Smart Boolean, however, processes both complex and non-manifold objects seamlessly, and it outperforms the exact solver in speed. To illustrate the principle using geometry nodes, in Blender 4.5, the manifold solver can perfectly compute Booleans on manifold geometry, so you just separate manifold and non-manifold parts and process them independently to avoid errors. Because the manifold solver produces errors when there's no geometry to work on, you need to disable it in those cases. You can see in the node setup how separating the two streams and feeding them into mesh Boolean gives you the desired result, though a few edge cases remain. This basic concept is at the core, and below you'll find a download link for a fully featured setup that fixes almost all Boolean issues, provided free of charge. After downloading, just put it in your asset folder or in the default asset file of Blender. Thanks for watching.